We are waiting for the diversity visa lottery results. Just assume, after checking the results, you find out you are the winner of the diversity visa lottery. The question you want to know is, after knowing that I'm the winner, when should I go and fill the visa form, the famous DS260 form? How long should I wait until I go to fill that particular form? Should I fill right away? Should I wait a little bit longer? Does the US government, through Kentucky Consular Center, KCC, process the visa interviews on first come, first served basis? I usually tell people this way. If you find out you have won the diversity visa lottery, you can fill the visa form as soon as possible. But there are some of the things you need to know because you might come to regret later. Number one, you must fill the form for the visa and submit only if you have everything required to have to complete the form. Meaning, let me give you an example. During the application, you were single, or you applied, you as the main applicant, because at that time they require passport. You have a child, a minor, you have your spouse. They don't have passport. Instead of going to submit the form on your own and say you are coming alone, just wait, take your time, go and apply for the passport of your spouse and the passport for your child. Because you cannot say, I'm coming alone just for the matter of waiting passport. You are not rushing anywhere. Or the other thing is your passport expired. Oh, let me just submit or use temporary passport. Let me just submit this one and then I will ask them to unlock. You are rushing for what purpose? Because in the end, you will not be doing interview if your passport is expired. So make sure you have all the important documents. If you are planning to get married, that was your plan. Get married first before you complete the DS260. Let's say if you are the winner and you are pregnant, or you are dependent of someone and you are pregnant, and the child is going to be born in July, don't rush to submit the form. You can fill the form, but you don't need to submit yet. Wait until the child is born, get the passport, and just go and submit all at once. Why am I saying that? Once you fill the form and submit, and for sure you know there are some of the information you don't have, then you need to request for KCC to unlock the DS260 so that you can fill that particular information to make it complete. We have seen sometimes KCC can take even 7 weeks or 9 weeks to just go and unlock your document. So sometimes the stress of waiting for them to unlock the DS260 is higher than just if you could wait for 1 more month to go to submit. Plus, you must go and check your case number. If your case number is 10,000, obviously your interview will be next year. Why are you rushing to go to fill the form on May if you don't have everything already? Someone who has already completed documents has to rush is someone with a 2,000 number in Africa. But your number is 35,000. Why are you rushing? You know you don't have the documents. So that is something you need to make sure that you have everything before you go to apply, before you go to fill the DS260 form. Make sure everything is ready to go before you go and submit.